Hello YouTube. Many of my friends have mocked me because I told them that I use this little saw from my Victorinox Camper. They said that the saw is too little to have a real use in the bush. I am not agree, and today I want to show you what we can obtain, or how we can obtain very easy fire using this part of the Swiss Army knife. First, we must obtain a little pile of fat wood, which is very easy using this, the back of the saw. The back of the saw is 90 degrees sharp, so we can very easy scrap fat wood, even if this piece of root is very condensed and very hard to scrap. But the back of the saw is doing its job, and now we have a little pile that we can gather together, and so we can light very easy fire. We must first clean the back of the blade. Also we must clean the ferro rod, and then we simply put the saw on the stump. We put the ferro rod on top of the back of the blade, and we pull towards us the ferro rod. This ferro rod is a very hard one, but I think we can obtain fire because the pieces of burning metal are heavy. The gravitation will drag them down and into our pile of fat wood. Let's try, let's see what we can do. Remember, our finger is always on top of our fire stick. So let's see. That's it. That unsuccessful attempt is due to the fact that the back of the blade is glued. Is very glued with fat wood, and it is very difficult to scrap efficiently the fire steel. I will use it something like that, and now without any problem we can obtain very good sparks, but only after we clean very good the back of our saw. That's it for today. I will extinguish the pieces of fat wood because we have drought and I don't want to start a fire. That's it for today. A very good day to you all.